still getting the scratch off that ground. Get off my damn car! My guy. Hey! The guy that brings my feed, I'm waiting on him right now. So in between that time, I have to substitute. This is some good feed though. It's a local company. At least I think it's local. Can move! Alright, I already fed them once today. This is the second. To the last feeding. We'll get one more feeding at the end. What's up, big dog? Now get in front of me, man. So I'm gonna let everybody calm down. Little Seramas. Little Silky. Right here is 20% layer tablet. My organic feed comes in bags like this because it's locally milled. As you can see, these are the bags that the organic stuff comes in. I reuse them to pick up trash in. I got thousands of them from all the work. Alright, they're trying to pick through it. Right now I'm filling up their pools. And they don't see a whole lot going on that's giving them interest. These big birds, they're smart. They know what's happening. They know it's almost time to feed. For the second time today. See, it's hard for me to film like this because all I got is one hand. And to do this job, to protect my face from flyers, and to do this job right, I need both hands. I just got a new camera, so hopefully it'll work good. The tripod doesn't ever give me good pictures. It's always too far away, it seems like. This is a pro video on my normal phone. I have a Fold 4. That's what I've been using this whole time, but obviously the videos ain't been that good. I know it has a lot to do with who's behind the camera, but it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. I'm trying to improve. Hey, get off of her! See, right now, I'm distracting the chickens. They thought that it's feeding time. I'm like playing with them a little bit. That way they don't automatically assume it's time to eat every time they see me with food. Okay. So I could take the long way around, but I'm just going to go ahead and feed them. What I do is a simple little line, and then from there, oh, I think they might have got into the feed bag, dang it. I do a simple line, and then I put it in their troughs. Hey! Oh yeah, they broke into it. Hey! That's why you can't feed them all at once. Now I gotta go feed the ones in the front. Then I gotta feed all the ones in the cages. See? Hey! Come on, guys. Come on, little crew. You little fluffy guys, you. I was already told that I overfeed my chickens. That I'm feeding them to death, is what they say. The organic feed I use, it has all kinds of different seeds. Like 7 different kinds of seeds and herbs and stuff. Hey! Hey! Go to your room. None of that. None of that. See how much I'm sweating? It ain't even hot out here. It's just that much harder when I'm one-handed only. 50-pound bag one-handed, and I gotta protect my face from chickens, because you know, without my beautiful face I have nothing. Just kidding. Did I tell you that they're breeding? The chickens, these guys right here, these crazy birds, which are called Shermans, are breeding with these quails. Well, they're having sets. I don't know if they're making eggs, but they're definitely doing the naughty. Please like and subscribe. Put a lot of work into this. It takes about 7 hours of my day to do all the chores and all the stuff that goes along with this. I gotta clean out and wash out all their water bowls and do all their normal maintenance stuff. Putting out powder, that powder demaces earth so that they can be clean and not have any itchy bugs on them. And I also use essential oils once a month. I don't use any medication for worms or parasites, because these guys free range, so they're able to eat the right herbage to counter that. Plus they're not forced into small places. They're able to free range over 7 acres, so that really cuts back on any kind of diseases too. I do use essential oils once a month, and that really does a lot. So I hope I helped y'all see what's going on here. I know you can't really tell with just this little bit of information, but hope you can at least see how much I love my birds. I'm gonna put this on them. Hopefully y'all are able to see them. If not, just please like and subscribe. I'm gonna try to make better content. Right now I need both of my hands. So enjoy.